Let's take a look at three stocks for March 28. AVTX MESO ARBK. AVTX after hour of the 27th, it make a big move. There's some sort of news. It make a big strong move up here, followed by one high, three high, one high, two high, three new high, and it pull back and it make another big move. So this line automatically serve as a support level, and you see, and today's Thursday, you see it pull back to that level, bounce off. So when it pull back and open again, this is such a good place to enter stock. So every video I'm gonna repeat again what I look for as far as strength. First strength, big move up, 1, 2, 3, new high, big move up. And we can see right here, we have a big move up and 1, 2, 3, new high. So when it pull back, that's this right here is, I need to draw this. Why here? Because of this rejection right here, this pullback, and then it breaks out. So this side, the support and breakout for the day. So it breaks out, big move up, 1, 2, 3, and we have a pullback to support. Ideal entry number 1, ideal entry number 2. And finally, it make a big move up from 21 to 34 and a half. I don't ever recommend buying breakout. Don't ever. Because the breakout right here, pull back. And the breakout right here, pull back. There's no good reason to buy breakout. Breakout right here and pull back. So every pullback, there's a breakout. So it's not a good idea to buy pullback, to buy breakout, period. Just there's no good reason whatsoever. Let's say you miss the entry here, right? And you kind of like right here. A couple of places right here you can buy. This is the flag. This is a breakout. This is the only time it's good to buy breakout, because there are a couple of reasons. A good place to, what make this a good idea to buy a breakout right here, because we automatically think that it might go back to day high. So that's a good place to buy breakout. But then you have to set your entry right underneath it. You don't want to buy breakout here and not having an exit plan. You always have an exit plan for every single trade. So let's say you miss entry here, miss entry here. You can enter here on a breakout, or you can enlarge it a little bit. We have head, shoulder, shoulder. So you can buy a breakout on the right shoulder, on the shoulder. So you can enter right here for a move up. As I said before, I don't like breaking out. But if I have to trade breakout, my exit, I wouldn't want to hold long. I wouldn't want to hold overnight because I know for certain that for every breakout, there's a pullback. So next one, meso. Meso. Okay. First thing first, where's strength? Strength right here. Do we have strength? Yes, we do have strength. Strength signified by a long candle right that. And then it finally breaks above the candle. Right there. So that would be support going forward. Okay. Strength is that. Strength is also that and that. So when it pull back to moving average, when it pull back to previous support, you want to get in here, 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 here. Those are the those are excellent area for entry. Let's say you missed here, 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 and here. And entry here is not a bad idea because you from here you expect the stock to go back to day high, which is up here. Another entry right there. Okay. Now this rule, remember the rule, one of the 10 rules. By the first pullback from new high. So we have this breakout, and this will be a pullback from the new high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finally break new high. You see, if you trade breakout, this right here is a breakout. You buy the breakout here, you get the pullback right here. So it's never a good idea to buy breakout. And why would you exit here? Why would anyone exit here? Because here is 534. 534. Look at the size of the candle. It's huge. The candle, this candle is huge. It's about the same size as this candle. Okay, it's really unreasonable to think that it will go on forever. So comparing the day's candle to previous day is a good will give you a good idea for exit plan. Don't be greedy. Don't ever be greedy, because if you're greedy, you think it's gonna go on forever, which it won't. Your breakout entry will very likely cost you instead of making you money. So let's take a look at. So that's Meso. Has a very good, easy chart. ARBK. ARBK is went from 1.6 to 5.5, which is a big move. So let's take a look at the chart without moving average to see what it looks like. Sometimes the moving average kind of get in the way, so you gotta move it out. Look at that. If that is not strength, I don't know what is. Okay, if you look at the 5-minute chart, it's even clearer. You got one breakout from new high, buy the first pullback, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it went even further than that. So let's try something. Let's see if the pullback is in line with, let's see, try this to see what it pulled back to. So the expectation is more often than not, after a big move like this, the expectation is you you would think that would want to start to pull back to the 50% line, which it did in this case, and it pulled back to 1.7 and went for a big end of day move to 5.25. Clear that out. Retraction tool is another great tool to figure out where the pullback is going to be and how much it's going to pull back. So let's bring in the moving average again. See if we see anything else here. Another thing we see here is not only the pullback to the 50% retracement line, it also pulled back to the 10-day moving average, which is another one down here. There's all kinds of support down here, and if you look at the 1 hour time frame, there's a big trend line here, so this is such a great opportunity to that is why buying pullback is such a good strategy. Let turn off the moving average one more time, because I believe I just see something. So you see how right here you can clearly see that this is a pullback. Okay, it pulled back to here. There's a consolidation right here, and the final broke, and then it dropped, but then it couldn't drop any further. So naturally, this become support area 176, 175, very tight area, and look at that. It held. So that is for today, for March 28th. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to share, leave a comment, and I'll try to get to the comment as much as I can. Happy trading.